Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 94, binary tree Inorder traversal. Given the root of a binary tree, return the Inorder traversal of its nodes values. Inorder traversal, it's the way when we firstly check left subtree of the node, then return the current node value, and after it we will check right subtree. And let's do it. And also we need to find some iteratively solution. But first of all, we will prepare recursive solution, because recursive solution is much easier, and it's like default solution for binary tree problems. To solve it recursively, we can do it, can call the method Inorder traversal recursively two times. First time we call it to get values of left subtree. After it we append current value, and after it extend the results with result from the right subtree. So let's do it. First of all, every recursive solution must have base case. So it's the condition, then recursion ends. So in our case, if root is empty, then return empty array. After it, return our solution. So call original method for left subtree. After it, append current value and right subtree. So that's it. It's a very simple solution, almost one line and the base case. Let's check tests, and it should work. Yes, submitted. It works and quite effective, and it's like default solution for this kind of problems. But we have to find iterative solution, which will be more difficult, but not much. First of all, we keep base case because it's the same. After it, we need to think what we can do. First of all, we need to replace call stack, which provided to us by recursion functions, and we need to create some stack manually. I will do it by using simple list, because list in Python has everything to make a stack. It's method to append, to add element at the end of the stack, method to pop the element from the end of the stack and check the current peak element. So let's do it. First of all, let's create some result. So for the final list and variable for a stack. In my case, it will be a simple list, and by default we add root to process. And in the loop I will check stack values until stack isn't empty. And when I check each node, for instance, in the example 1, you can see the first node doesn't have left subtree and has only right subtree. And in this case, the mm, don't we don't do anything with left subtree, just append 1 as a value to the result variable and check right subtree. And to check right subtree, they just append 2 to the our stack, and before it, the and after we add 1 to the result variable, we remove 1 from the stack. And after it, when we process 2, we check if left subtree of 2 isn't empty. The put left subtree, so it's 3, to the top of the stack and clear left subtree of 2. So, but in this case we don't delete 2 from the stack because we will process it after we will process 3. So let's do it. First of all, we need to check if current top element on the stack has left subtree. So if stack at index -1, it's the last element on the stack and its peak has left. In this case, we need to save this value to some variable, for instance left, and clear current left subtree of on the peak value. After it, we need to append left subtree to the stack variable like this and continue. So we do nothing, and on the next iteration we will process left variable, and only we will process it. We will process previous one, it's first item. If current item doesn't have left subtree, we will delete it from the stack. To delete it, I use pop function, and we can append current value to the result variable. And last thing, we need to check if current variable has right subtree. Just append it to the stack variable to process it later. and finally return result variable. So let's check again. Now here they do the same things that doing in the recursion function automatically. So we use some stack in in the in functions we have call stack. This calls automatically without any code, and we process one by one items, and if current item has left subtree, they clear it and push current left subtree to process before current item, and so on. So firstly we processed most left items, then next not, and right item, and we will do Inorder traversal. So let's check that works. Let's submit it. Yeah, it works pretty efficient, and finally now we have two solutions for that kind of problems, and the first solution much better, and mm, if you need to solve that kind of problem, better to choose a recursion solution. But anyway, iterative solution, it's not so much difficult. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.